What's life without a little unpredictability? Like merging into traffic without letting anyone know. And two cars met at an intersection. It wasn't a love story, but it sure was impactful. Please look forward to the most exciting things in this video. Let's go! Someone still underestimates the speed and power of a train. Oh man, you had a whole week to react. Unbelievable. Arkansas's police dash cam video shows the moment a state trooper caused a woman's car to flip on its top with a so-called pursuit intervention technique, or PT maneuver.
Got the number 3 lane shut down.
Show me your hands! Put your hands up! Do not move! Keep your hands up! I'm on him. All right. I got a rifle. I'm on him. Okay. Get out of the car.
We would have. We were planning on having everything tied in this year.
That was some pinpoint accuracy on the water drop. And then some things still happen in Washington. When he's indecisive about which lane to pick, so you try all of them. Tries. The vehicle speed is normal, but incident reason for overconfident. Who should pay for the repair of this car door? Driver just loses control of his vehicle. Driver escaped unharmed. To short story, recommend this reality show over Netflix. when the driver received 1119 missed calls from his wife. God bless the truck driver for doing the right thing. This woman drove on the wrong side of the road, and what she did next.
Oh no. Oh no, oh no, oh no.
But big thanks to truckers like this, who are always alert and prepared for the unexpected. See how this car calmly drives through the intersection. It's so crazy. Does anyone know a good place to get a car repaired? I think someone needs one. This driver never misses the turn.
Motherfucker! What the? God damn it!
Perhaps today is his unluckiest day.
March, car that has failed to secure.
Hope you will pay more attention and be more cautious.
The problem is that March.
This must be the worst day, the worst people this driver has encountered. Last week, shortly after midnight, a police officer was traveling east on Canton Highway when a white BMW passed him going 87 miles per hour in a 45 zone. The BMW quickly accelerated and began to run away from the co-police. The pursuit continued along Canton Highway towards Cherokee County at speeds approaching 140 miles per hour. As the BMW approached Gambling Hill Gap Road, the vehicle slowed down due to the curve and allowed the deputy to safely perform the pit maneuver. This driver had a Class D license and is not allowed to drive after midnight. As officers were talking to the driver, they could smell the strong odor of alcoholic beverages on his breath. What would you do if you found yourself on the brink of road rage? Please comment below our video.
Get yourself to me. I'm glad you're recording this, by the way. I tell you what. Dance. I don't want. I'm not fighting you, mate. I'm not fighting you.
He passed me at the start of a no passing curve, giving me a finger salute as he sped away, and this is the result he got, but I still hope that he is safe.
That's what you get! All on video, buddy!
What a perfect time.
Doing coming over on me? What are you doing? You come over on me! You had no... Because you indicate you had no... Where were you? Were you in front of me? You dickhead, I've got it all on camera!
Is this what you call instant karma? The speed at an intersection is not a good choice. Who's the boss? This is the first road argument where I didn't hear anything about cars or driving.
We can't stop far.
Treating horses better than human beings.
No, yes, because horses give us respect, you don't.
1,000 miles this year already.
Oh, well done.
Guarantee you
Well done. How come you ain't got rid of that pudding then?
It's called
Come on, got rid of that pudding.
Minions.
Look at it all. Oh, cunt.
Call the police, because I am moving.
Thank you for watching Big Crash Channel's videos. If you enjoyed our journey of discovery, don't miss out on what's next. Subscribe, like, and share our videos. See you soon.